one EC2 machine. So you have internet connection, so your request will go. Sorry. So are you able to see my screen? Yes, thanks. So in last class, we have created public network and attached internet gateway. On the internet gateway, we have created route table, and we have provided routing from internet gateway to route table to public subnet. So to provide path here, internet gateway to route table, we should go for edit routes. Okay. And to provide path from route table to public subnet, we should go for subnet association. So we have created EC2 mission, and we are able to access also. Okay, I will show you now also. But infrastructure and everything I have done, right? So about private. So private, there is no routing from internet gateway. Okay, just simply I have created a private network and subnet. That's it. No need to do anything. If I need internet only, I should connect NAT gateway. Okay. If we need internet only, we should connect NAT gateway. Otherwise, not required NAT gateway also, right? Okay. NAT gateway should in public. From here to here, we should create route table, that is private route table, and same story, private route table to private subnet. I have to connect it. Okay. So if I need an internet, we just access from this NAT gateway. Okay. And so to connect public to private, there is not required for NAT gateway. Okay. Connection from public to private, NAT gateway is required. SSH 22 is fine. SSH. But if you want to access internet from the private network, we need internet. That is NAT gateway will provide. Is it clear, everyone, from here? Okay. So I'll just go to here, instance. I'll just show you here. Before that, after that, I'll discuss CIDR. Go to VPC. So I have created one VPC, right? Custom VPC. Okay. After that, I have created subnets. Custom public subnet, custom private subnet. We have done already, right? No doubts, right? After that, I have created internet gateway and attached to VPC, my VPC. So after that, if I go to route table, I should provide route for in public route table, two routings. One is for internet gateway, one is from public subnet. So if you can see, I have routed internet gateway. In subnet association, I have selected public subnet. So this is done. Okay. So next, coming to the private. So private, I have attached NAT gateway. If you can go here, NAT gateway attached to public subnet. Okay. So now internet will come to NAT gateway. So NAT gateway should route to where? See, NAT gateway is route to NAT gateway to route table. If you can go subnet association, I have selected custom private subnet. Is this clear, everyone? Do I need to show one more time? Private subnet. Okay. Definitely, I will show you. So I'll just deleting. I don't think so it will delete or not. NAT gateway is attached. Oh, delete. Okay. My private subnet got deleted, guys. I'm going to route table. Route tables I'm going to delete. Sorry, before that. Please show one more time means what? Everything are private. Custom private route table, delete. Everything. So you guys are not practicing in these last 4 days, right? Then up to you guys. I'm not going to involve in that. So NAT gateway, I'm going to delete. Okay, I'm going to show. Public subnet. Route tables. Okay. I'm just deleting all, guys. So first delete route tables, then go to subnet and delete subnet. Okay. Then after that VPC. There is a dependencies. Directly VPC won't delete. Should come from back. Okay. So my public everything got deleted. Now go to VPC. Delete. Is this clear, everyone? Okay. So first, I'm going to discuss about CIDR now. So we'll create by using CIDR, VPC and subnet so that we can understand. So guys, what is CIDR? Anyone knows? What is CIDR? CIDR block. Very important. Classless inter domain whatever routing a range. Okay. Did you attend this class in DevOps? Did you attend this class in DevOps? Okay. No questions to you then. Okay. Guys, so CIDR is nothing but it's a classless inter-domain routing, a domain range. Okay. So by selecting CIDR, we can generate the IPs. We can generate the IPs in the network. Let's suppose. So this is my VPC. Okay. This is my VPC. So inside, I'm going to create so many subnets, right? Many subnets, there is no limit, right? To create subnets. I think I can go with 100 subnets also. Inside subnets, I can create multiple servers, right? I can create 50 servers in one subnet. Is it possible or not? Yes, possible. I can create, just a minute. Online, everything is clear. Am I audible on my screen? Is everything clear? Okay, please concentrate. Huh? Very important subject. It's very confusing subject. Okay. So classless inter-domain routing. So let's suppose, guys. So inside I have 1,000 servers. Inside I have a 100 subnets. So by selecting CIDR, we will generate the IPs. So what is IPs? Why we can generate the IPs? So inside, if you are creating it, one instance is nothing but 2 IPs will generate or not? Public and private. So if you are getting IPs means by selecting CIDR only. Let's suppose how we can calculate the CIDR. Before that, I can discuss just the range of we are using IPv4, right? What is IPv4? What is IPv4, guys? What is the range of IPv4? Very good. 0 to 255. So let's suppose 10.0.0.0. Okay. I'll just writing here 10, 0, 0, 0. Okay. So this is each one is one octet. How can I say octet? Go to mathematics here. 8 bits. Okay. Each contains 8 bits is nothing but. So here 0 is nothing but 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 0 is nothing but 8 zeros. One octet is nothing but 8 bits, right? Okay. Okay. Next. What is the value of this one also? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 8. Is it clear? Next, here also. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, something. Then what about this one? What? 0, 0, 0, 0. 4 is done. Next. 1, 0, 1, 0. Is it okay now? 2 power 0 is 1. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 power 0 again 0. 2 power 4 is, sorry, 2 power 3 is 8. 8 plus 1, sorry, 8 plus 2, 10. So is it clear now? So we can calculate like this way. So how can I say 256 will come? The maximum value is 256. How can I say, guys? The maximum value 250 is 255. If I calculate from 0, how can I say? The maximum value is 255. How can I say? So in 8 bits, I can give maximum value how many? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Is it clear? So can I give 9th bit also? No, it will support up to 8 bits only. Okay. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I calculate 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, the value will come 255. Okay, we have a 8 bits. Limit 8 bits. Each bit, if I can give once, the maximum value is 255. What is the minimum value? All zeros. Is it clear, everyone? The minimum value is all zeros. The maximum value is all ones. If I calculate all zeros, the value will be what? If I calculate all ones, the value will be 255. So I can generate IPs if I select 8 bit, sorry, if for IPv4 maximum is 255. But I need thousands of IPs. So by using net mask. This value is net mask. If I give the value is, for example, 30. Okay, 10.0.0.0/30. If you can go in the CIDR blocks, if you select VPC, okay, see, always the net mask value is there, 24. This is net mask value, 24, 32, whatever value you can give it. So the value should be minimum 16, maximum 32. Let's example, we have a 16, right? So if I go here, so the value should be subtract from 32, 2 power 32. So if I give values 30 minus 30 equal to how much? 2. So we should calculate 2 power 2. Okay. So 2 power 2. What is the value? 2 power 2. Value is 4. Okay. So 2 power 2 value is 4. So if I give 30, I'll generate 4 IPs only. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. If I give value 10.0.0.0 by 28, how many IPs I can generate, guys? How many IPs can generate now? 32 minus 28 equal to how much? How much? 4. How many IPs can generate? 2 power 4. Value is 16. Is it clear now? I can generate 16 IPs. Okay, so 16 IPs is nothing but I can just create a one VPC. Inside, I have created 2 subnets. Okay, if I launch 2 instance, that's it. I'm unable to launch third instance. The reason is each instance will take 2 IPs, but I have 16 IPs, right? The value is 16, right? So 2 and subnet is consume 1, private subnet consume 1, and instance, if I launch 2, 2 plus 2, 4. So like that 16 values I can create. So let's suppose this is my VPC. Inside I have 2 subnets. So inside I can create multiple instances, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So depends on your network size, we can create a generator IPs. Let's suppose my network size is 8 instances. Definitely I should generate 8 IPs. Sorry, 16 IPs, right? Public and private. So your range should be valid for this instances count. If I generate only 2 IPs, I'm able to create 2 instances, 1 instance only. If you launch second instance, you will get an error. There is no IPs to generate in your network. Is it clear now? Okay. So, but here one more condition is there. Here one more condition is there. So AWS consumes 5 IPs. 5 IPs. Okay. What are those? First one means 000. Okay, sorry. First one, the value is whatever you are generating the IPs. So the first one will take network address. Okay, network address. Second one, anyone knows? Anyone? Okay. So second one will consume DNS. Please come. Okay. Third one will consumes VPCs, VPC routing. So fourth one will consumes in future purpose. So fifth one mean last one 255 consumes network broadcasting. Okay. So if you are generating IPs, it should be more than 5. If you are generating for, in this case, if I give 30, it won't take. The reason is if you generate a 30 here, 30 here, you will get only 2 IPs, right? And AWS also consume 5 IPs. So 2 IPs, it won't sufficient. The value should be more than 5 first of all. Okay. So definitely I should use 28. Otherwise 29 also we can use. Let's suppose if I use 29, what is the value? How many IPs will get? Is it 8? 2 power 3 is 8, right? Is there any value will come 9? Odd number to, if you calculate with the 2 power? No, right? So 8. If you give this 29, you will get 8 IPs. Out of 8 IPs, AWS will consume 5. You will get only 3 IPs. So you can create only one subnet, one instance. That's it. So you can calculate like that. Okay. I will show you how to understand way. Don't worry. So is this clear? So this concept, no need to more focus. We have a formulas, simple. Okay, we can calculate like that only. Okay. So I will show you here. So the value should be, for example, I need 16 IPs. Okay. Otherwise, if I give, I'm selecting 28 net mask, guys. Net mask. What is the value I will get? 16. If I select 24, 2 power 32 minus 2 power 24, how much the value is? 256. Is it right? Value is 2 power 256, right? 256, right? If I give in my VPC range 24 net mask, whatever the, if I 10.0.0.0 by 24. Okay. If I'll give, I will get 256 IPs. Okay. Is this clear now? The value will start 10.0.0.0 till 10.0.0.1. 10.0.0.2. Like that way, 256. Okay. Why 256? I selected 10 power 24. Otherwise, I will note here. Okay. This is my value I have selected for VPC. How many IPs we are generating? I'm just showing here. So first we should subtract from 32 minus 24. The value will be 8. 2 power 8 equal to 256. Is this clear, everyone? 32 minus 24 equal to 8. So the result is 256 IPs. Okay. Okay. So like that, I'm generating how many IPs? 256. So the value will start from 0. So 255. Okay. Not 256. The value will start from 0. But we are calculating from 1, right? So the value will start from zeros. So these many IPs we can generate. Is this clear, everyone? This is for VPC. Okay. If you select 24, 10.0.0.24 in your VPC, so 255 IPs you can generate. The meaning is, how you can calculate? 2 power 32 minus 2 power 24, the value would be 8 equal to 256 IPs. Is this clear, everyone? Everyone, is it clear? Okay. So the condition is now, whatever subnets you are creating, the value should be in the range of VPC. We know, right? Subnets are in the part of VPC, right? So if I select 255, generating 255 my IPs, I should use these IPs inside your subnets or instances, right? So let's suppose this is enter my VPC. This is enter my VPC. How did 32 come, sir? How many bits we have? Guys, how many bits? 8 bits, right? How many characters? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 8, 32. Is this clear? Okay, that one also I'll show you here. 10.0.0.0. Whatever value, I'm not saying 10 here, whatever value it is, but you can calculate 4 characters. Okay, each one is 8 bits. So 8 into 4 equal to 32. Okay, 8 into 4 equal to 32. Is this clear now, everyone? Okay. Excuse me. If you can see this previous slide, so we have 8 bits, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 into each 8 bit. 4 into 8, 32. Okay. So we are here now, right? So we are generating VPCs. The net mask value is 24. Now I can generate 256 IPs. So the value will start from 0. So I can generate 255. Is this clear, everyone? Everyone, is this clear? Okay. Now, how many IPs I can allocate for my subnet? Can I take all? Can I take all? Why? Okay. Practically, we can prove one by one. So this is my VPC, right? So test VPC. Test VPC. What is the value here? I have given 0. 24. I have given. Okay. Let me check here. Yes, my net mask value is 24. Okay. This is a concept. Try to understand. So many ways we have to do that. But if you have a knowledge and manual, it's very good. Okay. 256. If you can see here, CADR block size must be between 16 and 28. Why? If I give 29, you will get in the range of 5 IPs. It's not possible. That's the reason. If you can select 28 here, you will get 16. Okay. So we'll get here more than 28 or minimum 16. Why 16? Can't you give 15? Anyway, 1024. So my VPC range is 10.0.0.024 I have given. So for that, I have generating these many IPs, 256. So let me create my VPC first. I have created, guys. Okay, I have created my VPC. If you can go in my VPC list, this is my test VPC. My range is 10.0.0.24. Means I'm able to generate 255 IPs. Now I'm going to create subnet. Create subnet, select test VPC. See here, my subnet name, test subnet. Availability zone you can give anywhere. See here, your VPC you have given 10.0.0.024. Now you can give the value. Okay, can I give 10.0.0.0 by 24? Why? Yes, inside VPC we can create subnets, right? Then what is the problem? Anyone? Can I give entire IPs? Can I use for my subnet or not? Can I use entire, how many subnets you are getting? 255. Can I use 255 one subnet or not? Why no? Okay, that is AWS default will take it, guys. That is not in your job. Okay, if you create a 255, by default it will take 5 IPs. Just leave it. Just leave it. That is AWS taking care. But what I'm saying, I'm generating 255. Okay, AWS consume 5. Rest I have 251. Can I use 251 for one subnet? That is you have to confirm, Abhinandan. Can I use or not? Okay, let's suppose I'm using the entire IPs for this subnet. Existing subnet. I have created only one, right? Wait. Maybe I'm giving. Oh, sorry. This is my VPC now. Anyway, 10.0.0.0 by 24. Will it take or not? See if you can see 250 IPs. Automatically calculating and telling you. Created. So now go to Excel. These are VPC's range, right? So I'm just using all for one subnet. All for one subnet means 10.0.0.0. Same process. 10.0.0.1. I'm consuming all IPs for one subnet. Now we will get clarity. Little bit clarity. So how many IPs I'm using, guys? For subnet? Yes, you are correct. You just calculate over the value only. Yes. So is this clear? My VPC is able to generate 255 IPs, but yes, I'm using for 255 IPs for one subnet. Now, am I able to create one more subnet? So what I'm trying to say here, this is my VPC now. This is my VPC. Please concentrate, guys. You can understand it very easily here. This is my VPC. Okay, what is the range here? 255 IPs I can generate. So inside subnets, it should be in the range, right? Or same range. So I have created one subnet. I'm not talking about public private here, just subnet only. Whatever you can think, public or private, whatever. So how many IPs I'm using here? Total IPs I'm using, right? Total 255 IPs I'm allocating to one subnet. Whatever range able to create by VPC. Now, can I create one more subnet? No, entire IPs I'm using for one subnet. So you should stick on the subnet, whatever things if you want to create inside instance, you can create it. But if it is a public subnet, so now are you able to create private subnet? You are unable to create private subnet. So the reason is there is no IPs to take one IP to create a subnet. So I can try. So this is my VPC, test VPC. I'll just remove the names for confusing. Okay, I'm able to generate 255 IPs, and for that I have created subnets. This is my subnet. I'm using entire range. If you can see the CIDR block of my subnet, whatever IPs are generating from VPC, I'm using entire IPs 24. So let's suppose create subnet, test VPC, test private subnet I can give. Whatever name, guys, name is just for another. Prefer zone 1B. So my VPC range, just they're saying, this is your VPC range 24. You should be in the range. Okay. So 10.0.0.0 by 24. Am I able to create or not? See, address overlap with existing subnet. The reason is you have already consumed with existing subnet this range. Am I clear, everyone? So if you can come here, these are VPs. VPC is range. You should use this range only. You are not going beyond that range. So the reason is the value is net mask is 24 only. You can generate 255 IPs. By using 255 IPs, you can create multiple subnets. So that you can plan it. But here first subnet only you are taking all IPs. Then how can you create second subnet? Whatever IPs are generating from the VPC, you are all consuming with one subnet only. That is the reason you are unable to create one more subnet. So let's suppose what we can do, guys, now. What we can do, instead of giving all the range, instead of taking all the range, I'll take just few values. Okay. I'll just deleting now. Okay. Now I can plan it for subnet. Okay. So I'm going to take only 8 IPs. Otherwise, okay. So 10.0.0.0 by 28. What is the range? 16. Okay. So 32 minus 28 equal to 4. The value is 16 IPs I can generate. Is this clear now? 16 IPs. So this 16 IPs I'm going to allocate for one subnet. What is the value I should give? 28. Is this clear now? 28. Okay. So 10.0.0.0. I'm starting from using VPC's IPs now. VPC is giving range till what would be the range? 1. So till 15. Very good. Sorry. Is this clear now? I'm using this for one subnet. I'm using this for one subnet. I'll just giving the color. This is one subnet. Okay, can we go and create? Okay. So what I'm going to do, first I'm going to delete my subnet. This is I'm using entire range, right? So due to this, I'm unable to. Okay, now there is no subnet in my account, but I'm able to generate 255 IPs by using VPCs. So I should use that VPCs. Okay, create subnet, select VPC, test VPC, give your subnet name, subnet CID or whatever name you can give it. So give preference zone 1A. So you tell me what is the value I should give here? 10.0.0.0 by 28. So why 28? I'm just giving 28 value here next for one subnet. Okay, this is VPC, this is subnet. VPC. This is subnet 1. Okay, so 28. Create subnet. Okay, just simply I have created one subnet, guys. So you just go here now. I'm using this 8, this 15. Okay, next, if I want to create one more subnet, can anyone give the number? It should be in that 24 range, right? Not for 22, 23. VPC range is 24. You should be using the 24 in between 28. Is it right? What? 20? Okay, 26. What is the value? 32 minus 26 equal to how much? 2 power 6. What is the value of 2 power 6? 64, right? 64. Is this clear now? So 26, if I give, the value would be 64. Okay, now I'll go and give this value. So if you can see here, I'm already consuming 16 IPs out of 255. Okay, please silence. Out of 255 IPs, I'm already consuming 16 IPs. What is the left IPs? So 230 plus 229 something, whatever, 240 or 230 or something. So I can use those IPs, right, for remaining subnets. Is it clear now? But I'm using 64 only. So I can easily create, right? I can easily create, right? So go to create a subnet, select test VPC, subnet test to 1A. What is the value? 10.0.0. What is the value I have given? 26. Will it work or not? Yes, we have IPs. We have a IPs. VPC is generating 255 IPs. One subnet only use what are 15 IPs only. So we have so many IPs. Will it work, right? See, what is the issue? CIDR address overlap with existing subnet. Here is the point now. So if you can take here, so if you can see here, oh my God. Anyway, I will write here. Control Y, Control Z. Oh, thanks. So I'm using these many subnets for first subnet 1, right? Next subnet, what is the value? 64. But the value will start from again 10.0.0. You are giving this range, if you can see here, 10.0. Please concentrate, guys. Can easily understand. 24 means what? The value will start from 10.00, right? Start from 10.000, right? Whatever value you can give, 10.0.0.0 by 16. This value will start from same 10.000. Is it right? I'm not giving any range here. So whatever value you have given the net mask, here how many IPs will get? 24? 256. But the value start from 10.0.0.0. If you can see here. In the same thing, if you can give 16 also, the value will start from 10.0.0.0. But if you can see my first subnet already using these IPs. My first subnet already using these IPs. Next subnet, if you are giving 10.0.0.0.26 also, the 64 IPs will start from again 10.0.0.0. But these IPs already allocated to first subnet, right? The value start from where, guys? Very good. The value start from here. There is no conflict right now. So if you can calculate now, the value start from 10.0.015 till how many? 64. Any subnet use this range? No, right? First subnet use this IP still here only. But second subnet start from 10.0.0.15. There is no conflict, right? So how can I give the number here now? 15, 26. Will it work now? Sorry, you can give 16, right? What happened? Wait. 10.0.0. 10.0.0. What is the value? 16 divided by 26. Why it's not taking? We'll try 17. Okay, I'll just create one more time here. Create subnet. This is my test VPCs. This is my subnet 2 availability zone 1A. So this is the VPC value. We are very clear, right? And this is the first subnet value, right? I have given first subnet is 28, right? 10.0.0 dot, what is the value? 16 by 26. Wait, the first subnet range is correct or not? 24. Let me check. Okay. First subnet is 28, guys. We have given 28, right? Okay. 28 is nothing but what is the value? 16. So it will work. It start from here. Okay, we'll see now. 16. Subnet. Create subnet. Test VPC. Subnet 2. Availability zone 1A. 10.0.0 20 will try by 24. Why it's not taking? Okay, I'm just deleting here. Okay, guys, see. Create subnet, select VPC. So subnet 1, subnet 2. So if you can see here, we are using first is this one, right? Just change the color. Okay, this is the first subnet. Okay, this is the first subnet I'm using. So next one is VPC. Next subnet I'm going to try 26, but it is start from zeros. So we are getting overlap issue. So 10.0.0.16. It will work. Why it's not taking? Yes, that's the reason I'm starting from 16 right here. I think it will take like this way. No. Sorry. 17 by 24. If I'll give 14, we'll get same error overlap. Okay. 15 overlap. 16 overlap. Maybe 17 will work now. Why it's not working? What? 26. Eighteen. Just now created, right? Then why it's not working again? The address overlap in the 28. Okay, okay. It will work now. 24 in between. So 28 value in the range of 24, right? It should work. Here. It 17 also working fine here. 15 overlap, 16 will work. So the range will 16 will work. From here to will work. But it will take in 28 only. But 26 also in the range, right? Yes, that is correct. So it will start from 16, it will work. 0 to 15 already first subnet will take, right? So it will working from 16 IPs. That is I can understand. But it will take 26 also, right? Why it's not taking 26? The range in between the 26, after 24 only 26 is there. I'm not taking 22, right? Okay, we'll see this tomorrow, don't worry. So it will create for 28, damn sure. If I'm starting from 28, it will create. Okay. If I give it will create 28. First subnet you am taking 28, second subnet also taking 28, but it's not working. Okay, we'll see tomorrow, don't worry. Clearly we can discuss. Time is wasting for with this. Anyway, we have an option to do that. If you can go your VPCs. So there is an option, right? VPCs and more. We can generate here how many IPs are required, how many subnets are required, and everything in automation manner. We can discuss this one. Okay, don't worry. Anyway, same తీసుకుంటున్నానా? Is it? Okay. This is subnet 2, right? I'm editing only one subnet now. Not like that. So this is 10.0.0.28, right? So in the range of VPC 24. Second subnet, it will taking from the only 28 only. This will work. So first subnet, if I'm taking 28 means what is the value? 16. So it will taking from the 16 first subnet. Second subnet also 16, right? If I'm taking 28, so it will start from, it will work from the 15 to 28, 16 till here. It's working fine. But what I'm thinking here, it will only support 28, not for 26. It will work for 26 also. I think missing something somewhere. The reason is my VPC is generating 24, right? I can, if I need in the range of 26, 24 is nothing but 256, right? If I need 200 IPs for the second subnet, how can I do it? Definitely I should change this value, right? Along with this value. Okay, anyway, tomorrow we can discuss clearly. Just little confusion. Okay, so I'm going to discuss now public subnet, right? Test. I can give any value, it will work now. 0, 0, 0, 0 by 16. I have created VPC, guys. I'm going to create subnets. Test, huh? Okay, test. I'm giving subnets. Public subnet, right? You guys asking to repeat. Public subnet. Availability zone 1A. So I can give 20. So 10.0.0.0 by 24. So create subnet. So public subnet got created, guys. I'm not saying it's a public subnet. Subnet got created. Okay. Okay. Next, route tables, right? Before that, we should create internet gateway, right? Okay. Create internet gateway. Cust gateway. Create internet gateway. If you can go internet gateway, this one. Cust, right? Actions attached to which VPC? Test. Okay. This is got done. Next, route tables, right? Create route table. Which route table it is? Public route table, right? Public RT. Which VPC? Test. created. My route table is also created. This one, the public route table. Now I should enable path. So if you can go in the architecture, I have created public subnet VPC, and I have created route table internet gateway. I should route from here to here, right? So from here to here, don't confuse guys. We should go for edit routes. From route table to subnet, we should go for subnet association. Okay. If you can go here, edit routes, add route, you can use all zeros. You can give internet gateway. What is my internet gateway? Custom. Save changes. Done, right? My custom gateway is ready. So next, what I need to do? Subnet association. So subnet association, edit subnet association. You just cross it, public subnet, save association. Okay. Anyone has doubt on these steps? Anyone? We can discuss, leave about that CIDR part. We can take care, don't worry. It should work 28 also. That is the reason. Anyone has any doubt? I think someone is asking me to repeat again this lab. Okay. Next, what is the next step, guys? So public subnet ready, right? Can I create instance in that? Okay. Next, I'm going to create a private subnet also. Test VPC, private subnet. Prefer zone, anywhere you can give it. So 10.0.0.1.0 by 24. I will tell you why 1 and everything, okay? Create subnet. I have already given 1 now. Okay, 2.0 by 24. Okay. What happened? Oh, sorry. Different VPs I'm using. Create subnet. Test VPC or test? Only test now. Okay, sorry. So delete your and also multiple VPCs. May you confuse like that. So I can give 10.0.2.0 by 24. Okay. So my private subnet also created. So my private subnet also created. Okay. So this is my private subnet. Okay. And I should create instance. That's it, right? Go to EC2. So till now we have already discussed, right? In the last class. Is it or not? Discussed. Launch instance only we haven't. Launch instance also we discuss. I remember that. No need to enable here public IP. Okay. Keeper you can give anywhere. DevOps. So here the point. I should select not default. Test subnet private, right? Private TCP is nothing but public IP disable. Select existing group. (0E9) yes. Default. Launch instance. Public I haven't launched. Go to instances. If you can see, private instance is pending. Now public instance also we can go to launch. Public EC2. Now this time you can select. You can select same key pair. So edit. Which VPC? Test. So now public subnet. So you should be enable here public IP. Select existing group, default this one for this. So you should check here security group, the VPC, both VPC should be same 0894, 0E94. Okay, both should be same. Launch instance. So my two instances are running now, right? Public and private. So public I can connect directly, right? There is no issue. But private, if you can see here, there is no public IP. How to connect? Bash no host process. Now you should concentrate now. This is the fresh class now. So public, definitely I can create. But private, there is no IP, right? If there is no IP, how to connect from the outside? Using internet. So this is not possible, right? Guys, NAT gateway is for to use internet only. If I'm not required for internet, NAT gateway is not required, right? My private instance is running, right? I will show you one more architecture then. If you confuse. See, this is the VPC. Inside two subnets. So I have created internet gateway and attached to VPC. And I have created route table for public here. I just routed from here to here. This is public, right? Now private instance also created. Inside I have an instance. Inside I have instance, right? This is public EC2. This is private EC2. Is this clear, everyone now? So public, definitely I can easily connect. The reason is the request will go here, internet gateway and route table routing to public subnet. Inside there is an instance, we are able to connect. But private there is no path to connect, right? So how can you connect? If the internet is required, you can attach NAT gateway here and connect it. But internet is not required now at this point. So is really required for NAT gateway now? No, internet is not required for my private instance. Let's suppose NAT gateway is not required, right? NAT gateway is required for only getting internet from public. So, but NAT gateway will support only unidirectional, not bidirectional. So in this direction, if anyone can access, it will block. Only this direction will access if I need internet. But this time, internet is not required. Just my private EC2 is running. Okay. This is not required, right? Route table, when it will create? If I want to route the traffic from NAT gateway to your network, I should create route table. But in this time, my instance is running, that's it. I'm not going to touch anything. I'm not going to update anything in my private instance. No need to do anything, right? No need to do anything, right? NAT gateway, route table to route something. So, okay. Till here we are clear, right? Then how to connect private instance? This is our point today. So that is called Bastion host process. Bastion host. So Bastion host process is nothing but, so you should connect public instance to private instance by using SSH. This is important. Using SSH, you should connect private instance by public instance. Is this clear, everyone? So my instance is running in the private. My public instance also running in the public. So I'm easily connect public instance, right? Yes, very good. So how to connect my public instance, first of all? By selecting public IP, right? Okay. Control V, advanced SSH settings. I selected DevOps key. Okay. What is the issue, guys? Anyone guess? Go to security groups. security groups, edit inbound rules. So I'll just give anywhere also it will work. Otherwise delete. Add rule. All TCP. Anywhere. Save rules. Okay. IPv4 not coming. Sorry then. Sorry. I have given IPv6 here. Delete it. Otherwise I'll just give SSH only. SSH. Anywhere IPv4. Save rule. Okay. SSH is fine to connect, right? We are not going to host any application. Controller. Login as easy to use. Okay, I have connected my public instance. We know this process, everyone, right? We easily connect public instance. Then how to connect private instance? We don't have public IP first of all. So from here, I'm able to connect private instance. What is the process? If you can go in the instance, any instance, there will be a process. Public or private, whatever. So I want to connect private instance, right? So I'll just go to private instance. SSH client. This is the process we can connect. So bash no host will work. SSH client connect if you want to access private instance. So these many steps we can follow. First step is open SSH client. Yes, we have open mobile system, right? Any SSH client. Locate your private key file, then key used to launch the instance in devops.pem. So we should locate our key in that instance. Then we should give the run this command. chmod 400 devops.pem. chmod is nothing but permission to open this file for this instance and connect your instance using its private IP. Example ssh-devops.pem easy to use that. This is the step. Okay. We'll just follow these steps. Tomorrow also we can discuss. Don't worry. I should place first step is what? Locate your private key file, right? Okay. Locate your private key file. Just go to upload your like this way. Click on that. My key file is DevOps, right? Now what I'm trying to do here, this instance is trying to access next instance. So to access this instance, second instance, definitely second instance keeper is there for first instance, right? So, but if I want to access my laptop to that instance, my laptop contains same key. Same thing, my instance is want to access to second instance, my instance also requires same key, right? Or whatever key, but the key both should be same. Whatever key I have uploaded here, the same key is used for second instance also, private instance also. Okay. Okay. I have uploaded key. What is the next step, guys? chmod 400 devops.pem. If you can see, this is devops.pem is your key pair name. So both should be same. Here devops.pem you have uploaded, right? So both should be same. Otherwise you will get an error. Sorry. Okay. I just copy paste. Okay. I have uploaded. I have given this command. What is the next command? Connect your instance using private IP. Example, this is the command ssh-devops.pem. This is key pair name and ECT user private IP. Okay. See here, go here and give. Yes. Connected. Second instance also. Now you can start work. Second instance. So you can deploy vim command. We can use vim command now. So you can host the application, whatever thing you can do it now. Clear? Clear? Anyone doubt? Anyone has doubts? So I need access to connect my private instance, right? I can start work, right? I can deploy anything, but ping google.com. Sorry, not ping. So I'm trying to access google.com from this instance. Will it work? No, the reason is I don't have internet, right? From my instance. If you want to access this internet, what is the process? I should create NAT gateway. I should attach into the public subnet and I should route from same process. How we can route it from internet gateway. The same process we should follow. Anyway, so far anyone has any doubts to connect private instance online? Upload key once again, right? Okay. So go to this button. Automatically it's redirecting to upload key. Otherwise, simply you can do it one more way also. One more time I'm going to show you guys. Sessions, go to SSH, public IP. One more time. If anyone missed something, please concentrate here. Public EC2, take public IP, Control V, advanced SSH settings, use keep private key. I'm using public DevOps key. Okay. EC2 user. I have connected my public EC2 instance. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'll just delete this key pair. So why I need to provide, you should understand one thing guys, why I need to upload key into my EC2 mission. The reason is this EC2 is going to access second EC2, right? So definitely this EC2 permission required to access, authentication permission required to second EC2, right? So that's the reason we are going to upload the key. Otherwise, without uploading key, I can try it. Without uploading key, I can same steps, I can try it. Private instance, right? Go to here, connect, SSH client. So I'm locate your private key file. They're saying, but I'm not doing that. I'll simply giving the chmod 400 devops.pem. No such file directory. So devops.pem, there is no file here, right? If you can give ls, there is no file, first of all, in your user. You should upload it. You should upload it. You can do it in this way, or you can do one more way. Vim DevOps. You can paste the key here also. Okay, what is the key here? This is the DevOps key, right? Copy, paste it. Okay. Escape. Please enter. Escape. Is it clear? ls, my key is there. DevOps is there. Is it clear now? If I give chmod 400 devops.pem, will it work or not? No such file directory. Why? Anyone? Usually people do mistake here only. Anyone? No. Anyone please guess it? PEM file. Very good. Extension. I have saved the file DevOps only. Is it clear? DevOps.pem. Vim DevOps.pem. Nothing is there, see? DevOps I have uploaded, not DevOps.pem. So paste it, escape, WQ, ls. See, DevOps.pem is there now. So I can give the same command, chmod. Now it's working. Next, what is the command? Connected. So why I explained this one, Mac users, there is no mobile system process, right? There is no upload option. So you can do it in this way. So using Vim, you can give the key pair name. Is it fine? So the name should be same, guys. The name should be same. Whatever key you use for second instance means private instance. If you can go here, I'm using second instance is DevOps.pem. Okay, DevOps.pem. Same key you should use. Otherwise, you can do one thing. Please concentrate. Otherwise, you can one thing. Whatever name you can give. Test.pem, whatever name. But connect time, if you can see here, you just change it here. Okay. It will automatically take from whatever key you have uploaded, whatever key name you have given the private instance. I have given DevOps, right? I have selected DevOps key, right? So automatically here the step is keys generating DevOps.pem. Okay, whatever name you are using in that, the both should be same. Otherwise, I will show you, right? If I give the instead of ssh-m devops.pem easy to use a private IP, if I give test.pem, it will work? Will not work. The reason is inside your key devops.pem is there. If you upload devops.pem is there. Even if I give DevOps also, it's showing like no such file directory. Extension also important. Okay, you have a two options. You can upload in this simply. The both are same, right? It will work. Both are same, it will work. Otherwise, we can go with vim command. You can give the same extension, it will work. We have a two options. Okay, this is bash no host process. So in interviews, definitely they will ask how to connect private instance. So definitely we should connect public instance first, and from the public instance we can use SSH client option. We can connect private instance. Is this clear, everyone? Online, anyone has any doubts? Online, is this clear? Private connection, yes, private key only. Whatever key with us, that is private key, not public key. Anyone has any doubts to connect bash no host process? And we have done public and private also. So you guys can try NAT gateway and ping from your instance, ping google.com something, whatever, or install update y, whatever you can give it. Okay, anyway, I'm also going to show you tomorrow. So others, I'm getting response from only 3-4 people. This is repeated class. You just understand this is repeated class. Bash no host only new class. That is last 15 minutes only new class. Remaining all repeated class. So, okay. So where is Ashwin? I think Ashwin is only tracking all the tasks, right? Who is Ashwin? DevOps file, key name only. Ashwin, I think you are tracking all tasks, right? Can you note it